Symbols of elements. A symbol is an image, object, etc. The symbol is an image, object. Okay. ஒன்று இமேஜாக இருக்கணும் இல்லது ஆப்ஜெக்ட். This is a symbol for elements that stands for some meaning. Some symbols denoted some reason. Okay. For instance, the dove is a symbol of peace. The dove is a symbol of peace. Already we know. Then similarly, we denote the mathematical operations by symbol. For example, plus denote the addition, minus denote the subtraction, etc. This is symbol. Okay, some images denoted symbol, some object denoted some symbol. Okay, in the same way in chemistry each element is denoted by a symbol. The same way chemistry also denoted some elements denoted some symbols or letters. Okay, writing out the name of element every time would be become a troublesome. So the name of an element is represented by shortened form as a symbol. Every time we write the calcium, oxygen. Okay, this is a trouble, so we are using some symbols. The same, the element also using some symbol. Let us learn the brief history of symbol of elements. First one, Greek symbol. The symbols in the form of geometrical shapes were used by ancient Greeks to represent four basic elements around us, such as the earth, air, fire and water. Denoted the four symbols: the air, this triangle, then upper having one straight line, then fire, then earth, then water. These are symbols of four earth, air, fire, water. Okay, then the cross symbol, the left side is the moist, the right side is warm, down dry, cold. These symbols are using the Greek symbols. Next, alchemist symbol. In the days of alchemists, different materials that people used were represented by different symbols while they tried to change the less valuable metal into gold. கோல்டை வந்து ஒரு லெஸ் வேல்யூபிள் ஒரு மெட்டலை வந்து மாற்ற நினச்சாங்க, பட் அது வந்து முடியலை. ஸோ த ப்ராசஸ் வாஸ் கால்டு alchemy, and the men who did this work were known as alchemists. Okay, in the days of alchemists, different materials that pupils used were represented by different symbols while trying to change the less valuable metal into gold. ஒரு கோல்டுக்கு பதிலாக ஒரு லெஸ் வேல்யூபிள் மெட்டலை வந்து கோல்டாக மாற்ற நினச்சாங்க, பட் அது முடியலை. ஓகே, ஸோ த ப்ராசஸ் வாஸ் கால்டு alchemy, and the men who did this work were known as alchemists. அதை யார் செஞ்சாங்களோ அவங்க நேம் alchemist. Under the word alchemist. Next, this is the symbol used by alchemist. Nickel, then arsenic, antimony, water. Okay, nickel, arsenic, antimony, water. These are symbols used by alchemists. Next, Dalton symbols. In 1808, John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name various elements based on pictorial symbols. The Dalton used the pictorial symbols. Those symbols are difficult to draw and hence they are not used. It is only of historical importance. Pictorial symbol already know, the drawing. Okay, but this symbol is not applicable for all the time. So this also neglected. Dalton symbol also neglected. First one, hydrogen, circle the inside the one point. Okay, so just you learn the symbols. Hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, alumina, soda, potash, oxygen, copper, lead, water, ammonia, olefant, carbonic oxide, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid. These are Dalton symbols. Next, Berzelius symbols. In 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using a letter of alphabet rather than signs. Okay, using the alphabets. Okay, alphabets using the Berzelius system. The modified version of Berzelius system follows under the heading System for Determining Symbol of the Element. System for determining symbols of the element. Element determine பண்ணக்கூடிய system, that is Berzelius system. Okay, first one. Next, present system for determining symbols of elements. இப்போ nowadays we are using the symbols for elements, that is the symbol of most common element, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of their English name. Okay, non-metals, the non-metals elements using the first letter English name. This is very very important. Okay, so compulsory you know the element name and symbol. First one, boron. What I am said, the symbols of the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of the English name. Boron, so B. Carbon, C. Fluorine, F. Hydrogen, H. Iodine, I. Nitrogen, N. Next, oxygen, O. Phosphorus, P. Sulfur, S. Vanadium, V. Uranium, U. Yttrium, Y. These are first letter of the alphabets. First letter of the alphabets in a English name. Okay, that is first type. Elements having first letter as symbol. Elements having first letter as symbol. Next, if two elements have same first letter, then the first and second letters of the name are used as symbols. That if two elements have same first letter, for example barium, beryllium, அதாவது ரெண்டு மூணு எலமெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் வந்து சேமாக இருந்தால் how to write the symbol. First, aluminium, A. So symbol is A. L. Okay, elements with the same first letter. Next, barium, beryllium, bismuth. The three of them start with B. So the symbol is barium, Ba, beryllium, Be, bismuth, Bi, because the second letter is vary. So we take the first two letters. First symbols உடைய first letter same இருந்துச்சுன்னா we take the two letters, first two letters. That's why barium, Ba, beryllium, Be, bismuth, Bi, bromine, Br. Okay, then cobalt, Co. Next, hydrogen, H, helium, He, nickel, Ni, neon, Ne, silicon, Si, sulfur, S. Okay, these are elements with the same first letter. Okay, next, if the first two letters of the names of the elements are same, then the symbol consists of the first letter and second or third letter of English name that they do not have in common. Okay, then second point is the same first letter, but the third one is the same first and second letter, means if we take the third letter. Okay, first one, argon, Ar. Arsenic also Ar. The two of them first two letters are Ar. So the argon we take Ar, arsenic we take the As. Okay, next, chlorine, two of them CH, chlorine and chromium. The first two letter is CH and CH. So the chlorine is Cl, the chromium is take Cr. Okay. Next calcium and cadmium. The two of them Ca. So the calcium we take Cl, cadmium we take the Cd. We take the third letter. Okay. Then magnesium and manganese. Magnesium Mg, manganese Mn. Okay. So if the first two letters of the names of the elements are the same, then the symbol consists of the first letter and second letter or third letter. Okay. This is also one type of elements. Next, some symbols are used on the basis of their Greek name or Latin name of the elements. Greek name and Latin name. That is, there are 11 such elements. Sodium. This also very important. Okay. This will come to up to 10th standard. So, study thoroughly. Sodium, natrium. I'll repeat. Sodium, natrium. Symbol is Na. Then potassium, gallium, K. That's why we take the symbol Na. If you are thinking the element name is sodium, but why we are take the symbol Na? Because the heading is some element symbol is we take from Greek or Latin name. So the element sodium Latin name is natrium. So we take the symbol Na. Okay, then iron, ferrum, Fe, copper, cuprum, Cu, silver, argentum, Ag, gold, Rm, Au, mercury, hydrargyrum, Hg, lead, plumbum, Pb, tin, stannum, Sn, antimony, stibbium, Sb, tungsten, wolfram, W. Okay, these are Greek or Latin name of the elements. Very important. So mark it ma. This will come to one words. Okay. Next, some elements are named using the name of country, scientist, color, mythological character and planet. Some elements name. These are Americium, Am, America country. Okay. Europium, EU, Europe country. Nobelium, No, Alfred Nobel, scientist name. Iodine, I, the violet color, Greek. Greek color வந்து violet. So iodine I. Mercury, Hg, God Mercury. Plutonium, Pu, Pluto. Neptunium, Np, Neptune. Uranium, U, Uranus. These are elements named using name of the country, scientist, etc. Okay. Next, writing the symbols. While writing the symbol for an element, we should adhere to following rules. First one, if the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. For example, carbon, nitrogen. Carbon means we have to write carbon, CARBON. That is the element name. We have to write the symbol capital C. Capital C. Don't put the small c. Okay, this is not correct. Capital C, the big C. Okay. Then another example, nitrogen. Nitrogen, NITROGEN, nitrogen. We have to write the symbol capital N. Because if the element has a single English letter, nitrogen N. Okay. The next day, for elements having two letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital followed by a small letter. For example, argon. Okay. For example, argon, the spelling is ARGON. G-O-N, argon. We have to write the symbol. The first letter A is capital. Okay. The second letter is small r. Don't write the symbol. Already I am told don't use the cursive in the symbols. Okay. So we have to write the symbol capital A and small r. The another example is aluminium. Aluminium also have to write a capitals A then small l. Another example helium. Helium H-E. Calcium C-A. So if you take the two letter symbol, first letter you have to write the capital letter, another letter is small letter. This way we have to write the symbols. This is the rules for writing the symbol. Next, book back questions. Take page number 101. Take page number 101. Second one, the pictorial symbol for water given by the alchemist. The pictorial symbol for water given by alchemist was, answer is this C answer. Answer is C. Okay. The next, which one of the following element name is not derived from planet? Underline the word not derived from planet. Plutonium also having the symbol leptonium, uranium, but mercury is not derived from the planet from elements. Mercury is not a element. So this is answer. Next, fourth one, symbol of mercury. Symbol of mercury is Hg because mercury Latin name is hydrargyrium. So the symbol name is Hg. Okay. Then this and all not teach. Okay. Then come to fill in the blanks. Second one, the symbol of tungsten. The symbol of tungsten is W. Okay, because Wolfram is the symbol of element tungsten. Okay, have to write the symbol W. The Latin name is Wolfram. Okay, next, match the following. The B section. First one, atom. Atom is a building block of matter. Already I am told atom is building block of matter. Then element. Element is atoms of same kind. Atoms of same kind. That is element. Same kind vandale, that is element. Compound means different kind. Atoms of different kind. For example, element, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. These are elements. Then nitrogen is N2, oxygen O2. The same kind of atom, these are elements. But compound is different kind of atoms. For example, H2O, N2O, nitrogen dioxide, water. These are compound because different kinds of atom. H1 atom, oxygen 1 atom, nitrogen 1 atom, oxygen 1 atom. So different kind of atom is compound. Okay. Next, fourth one, molecule. Molecule, smallest unit of a substance. Molecule is made up of atom. Atom is made up of matter. Understand? Okay. Then, dears, mark the book back answers. Next, answer very briefly. The second one, write the constituent elements on their symbols of the compounds. This is also note. Okay, I will give the notes. You have to write in your classwork note. But today we teach the questions. Third question, write the symbols for the following elements. First one, oxygen, O. Gold, AU, because the gold Latin name is Rm, so AU. Okay. Then calcium, Ca, because the calcium have in the two letter word, so Ca. Next, cadmium. Calcium and cadmium having the same first two letters. So the calcium we take the first two letter, the cadmium we take the first and third letter, C, D. Next, iron. The symbol is Fe because the Latin name is ferrum. Okay, so mark the third question. Next, what does the chemical symbol represent? What does a chemical symbol represent? Have to write in our classwork note. Okay, the answer is a chemical symbol is a shorthand method of representing an element. Shorthand method. A chemical symbol is shorthand method because we have to write the element's name in every time. We are using some image or symbols using the element's name. So what does the chemical symbol represent? Chemical symbol represent எதை பண்ணது அப்படின்னா, that is chemical symbol is shorthand method of representing an element. Element உடைய shorthand தான் represent பண்ணுது. Okay, this question you have to write in our classwork note. Okay, and yes, I will give the PDF form. So which question you have to write the note, that question also giving the answer. So we have to write in our classwork note the book back questions. I noted note that question alone you have to write. Others and all book back page I given. So mark in our book. Some of the mark in the below the questions. Okay, next, answer briefly the question. Define alchemy. Define alchemy, page number 95. Okay, page number 95. Okay, mark this question. You have to mark fully. In this day of alchemists, different materials that people used were represented by different symbols while they tried to change the less valuable metal into gold. That process was called alchemy, and then men who did this work were known as alchemists. Okay, the question is 5th Roman 4th question. 5th Roman 4th question. Mark it now. Okay, next, 5th question. Name the elements with the following symbols. Name the elements with the following symbols. Write in classwork note. Name the elements with their following symbols. First one, Na sodium, W tungsten, Ba barium, Al aluminium, U uranium. Okay, this one you have to write in our classwork note. Today you have to write the question answer, the two question, 4th Roman 6th question, then 5th Roman 5th question. Okay, two question you have to write in our classwork note. Okay dears, today topic is very less topic. Introduction. Next, elements. What is element? Then what is compound? Then symbol of elements. Okay, the symbol of element is Greek symbols, alchemist symbol, Dalton symbol, Berzelius symbol. Then finally using the present system for determining symbols of elements, the single letter, two letters, and then three letters. We are using the symbols. Okay, today we are learned that very less topic but important topic. We have to study all the symbols, then Latin name and Greek name. Okay, okay dears, study the two pages 94 and 95. The 96 we have to study all the symbol name. that will come to one word test. So read the lesson and study the symbols and get ready for test. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me dears in WhatsApp. Okay dears, thank you.